Hi guys, I'm back with another video and we're going to do a snack crate, and this time it's going to be from dun, da, 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 India. Yes, so let's get it crack-a-lackin'. So quick little details about India. Let's see if it's something easy. Not finna read that. Moving on. Let's just get into the snacks. Ooh, look at the paper. Isn't it pretty? I love the paper. That's so pretty. Beautiful paper. Let me get up on it so y'all can really see it. Gorgeous. I hope I get a little trinket in here like they did with Russia, the babushka doll. I think that's what it was called. Let me see. I'm trying to be gentle with it because it's so pretty. Oh, they got Lay's. I didn't know they had Lay's in India. Who knew? Okay, masala chips. Look like a lot of people done touched these chips now. Even the paper feel different on these chips. So we got some kind of masala chips. What it say? India's magic masala. It smells funny. Chili chatka. Chili chatka. Look like some kind of Cheetos. Chahada Mita. Indian snacks. Okay, now we saying stuff. I don't know how to say this. Please do not come for me, baby, because I don't know if I'm saying it right and I don't want to offend nobody. Buha Sieve or Sev. That's what it said. Magics. Pineapple flavored banana biscuits. I'm like, that may be good right there. I love a cookie now. We got a handful of candies. Mango bites, raw mango flavored candy. Got a handful of those. Roller cola, the solid cola. Okay, it's heavy too. Fab Jammin', white black currant. Oh, currant jam. It's a cookie. Poppins Masala, fruit flavored rolls. So I guess it's like what you call them things? Lifesavers or something. Oh, look at the baby, she's so pretty. Parle-G or Parle-G original glucose biscuits. Wait a minute, glucose biscuits. These for diabetes patients? I guess I need to hold these for when I, take sick or something. I don't know. Fab bourbon. Oh, shucks now. Oh, chocolate flavored sandwich biscuits. I was all ready for some bourbon flavored something. Oh, then the last long thing. What they say? Perk double. Rip it, share it. Oh, got look like some rice stuff in there. Look, some Crispies. All right, and that's it. I ain't getting no souvenir. Let me double check. Ain't nothing under there. No, nothing under there. But that is some really beautiful paper. Somebody crafted may want to save it. I'm not saving nothing because I don't do all that. That's anyway. I have me some trusty handy dandy water. I got me some new metal straws. I'm so excited about that. Anywho, okay. Let me do sweet and then I'm gonna do a little savory. I'm gonna mix it up because I cannot eat sweet last because I gotta have some salt to cancel it out. I'm weird, I know. Okay, so let's see. So let's do some jamming the currant. Let's check that out. Well, stay behind in here then. Oh, it smells like a wildflower. What's it smell like? Okay. You got the little sugar crystals in there. The back just plain. Let's taste. That's good. Oh, that's really good. Okay, India. I was already talking about sliding over there now. Oh, that's hidden. I'm gonna have to ease up on them now. Let's see what's next, child. Okay, some savory. Kakur chili chatka. If I'm saying it wrong, y'all correct me in the comments nicely, because I do bite back. Oh, okay. Do I need scissors? Is it a tear here, man? Because, good God. My wig gonna come off. I can't even open this. Wait a minute now. Do it say tear here? We're gonna just rip this because this ain't coming out. Okay, it's a little different. It looks like a Cheeto. Just like a Cheeto. Trying to let it focus. It's not really focusing because I got the shakes apparently. It don't smell bad. It's a different flavor. It tastes like it's got curry. It tastes like a bunch of different spices. It tastes really good. It tastes like a meal. Wow, that is really good. And I say curry, but it ain't really curry. It just tastes like a bunch of different spices. This is really good. One more for the road. That's good. That is tasty. Okay, so something sweet. I want to try this magic pineapple sandwich cookie, biscuit, or whatever they call it. Let's try that. Well, I tell you, they don't want nobody to get in them, do they? Okay. Oh, boy, they really creative. Look how nice the cookie look. Or the biscuit. It's a nice old biscuit, ain't it? Oh, there. Very pungent. Smells delicious. When I said it smells just like a pineapple, my God. Oh, my God, this is delicious. This smells delicious, like it's going to be great. I hope it don't let me down. Yes, sir. Boy, it's hidden right here. Oh, India is on it. Oh, they busting over there. Ooh. Oh yeah, baby, they hidden. India got it going on. They snacks ain't missing not one time. Not a one. All right, India. I'm gonna have to talk to my friend Amy. Like Amy, when we slide into India, she's from India, so that's why I'm saying that. Cause me and her had talked about going over there. She was saying she was gonna go see her people. And we was talking about that. Okay. Okay, now this look like it's gonna get tricky. This look like ramen if you look at it. I don't know how to say this. Buhia Sev or Sev. But it's hot and spicy. Okay. We tear here. We tear here over there. Maybe. Yep, we do. We tear here over there. It smells a little different. This look like the potato snacks. Or the kind, you know, them things you put on the, you know, to be on the salad bar at the Chinese restaurant. Y'all know what I'm talking about, them little noodle crisp looking things. Let's see what it tastes like. It's supposed to be hot and spicy. Don't taste nothing. Maybe they got to hit me all at once or something. I don't taste nothing. Oh, wait a minute. It's something else in here. Hold on. Maybe these was supposed to taste. Extruded fried Indian snack. Maybe this was supposed to be hot and spicy. This. I don't know. They don't taste hot and spicy. I'm trying to see if it's gonna hit at any point, but it don't feel like it's hot and spicy. It ain't doing nothing for me. But all right, let's rock and roll. Oh, let's see. Perk. No, there it is. There it is. It's the afterwards. It ain't bad. It's just a little bit. It's you know, get you at the back of the throat. If you've recently had throat operations, be careful. Okay, so you get 2 little bars. It's like a big old Kit Kat, sort of. That's what it looked like. Oh, this was the perk. This tastes like the one I had, sort of like the one I had in Austria. The little wafers I had there. This is really good. India is not missing. They own it. They got it going on. Oh, they hitting. Okay. Catamita. Sweet and salty mix of sago and rice flakes. We've learned that we tear here, there. Now if this don't tear here, now look. Now listen. Don't embarrass me on camera. Now you want to open at the top. Okay, everything real yellow. It's definitely real yellow. Okay. And this supposed to be what, sweet and salty mix? Did anything settle to the bottom? I don't know, I can't tell. Let's see. Catamita or mita. It don't taste nasty. It was just the texture that got me. Sorry. Interesting. I'm not sure. Let me just put all of it in my mouth to see if I can grab the whole taste, because I can't taste it individually. It's okay. It's not bad. I don't know if I'd buy this for a snack, but you know, per se, if there was no other snacks, I'd eat it. But it's not bad. I think there are peanuts in here, but I don't. Oh, here's one. Peanut. Okay. Well, I guess if you know, you can get it all to come together. When you pull something in your hand, I guess it'll be all right. Moving on. Okay, now this is like here to break your teeth here. Okay, this breakable. I didn't want to be sure it wasn't going to be nothing to break my teeth. Roller Cola, the solid cola. Let's test it out. Test it out now. I have not eaten dinner, so I can eat this. Let's see. So is it like pieces of candy? Yep, pieces of candy. I'm guessing. I mean, we finna see. We finna see. Come on, paper. The people waiting. Oh, you gotta chew this? Oh, God. Whoa. It is like it's like a soda. Like a Coca-Cola. Well, maybe not Coca-Cola, but, you know, like a cola drink. Oh. Wow. Oh. Got some kickback in it. Wow. I'm not a candy person. I don't like stuff that stick to my teeth. I get scared. I feel like I'm gonna get a cavity. I'm 37 years old and I have never, ever had a cavity. Never. Only dental work I've ever had done was I had all my wisdom teeth cut out and cleanings. That's it. Nothing else. So I get real nervous about, you know, like stuff sticking to my teeth. Like as soon as I finish, got to get them brushed. I want to get my teeth whitened too, but that's another video. All right, Lay's India's Magic Masala. And I love watching those videos. Why the bag looks so funny? Okay, never mind, you bitch. Shut up. Okay, forgot. Tear here, tear here, tear here. Different bags, different countries. Ooh, they smell good. I wish y'all could smell this. This smells like, do y'all watch those videos, those village cookings, when the people in like, I don't want to say, I guess it is in India, where the people in the villages be cooking it for like their entire village, and they be outside cooking in the big pan and the pot, and they be, you know, grinding. Oh my God, this is what this smells look like, what the video looks like. Like it just would be fantastic just standing there and smelling all that stuff. When they be doing the masala and the curry leaves and stuff. All right, so, the Lay's Magic Masala. I don't like these. Fat bourbon. Let's see what the chocolate fat bourbon cookie biscuits. They really make their stuff look really good. Look at that, isn't that nice? Looks like a domino. I wonder, is this sugar or salt? It looks like salt. Pardon. Tastes great. Fantastic. Tastes really good. It's not overly sweet either. It tastes like a I can't describe it. Like a devil's food cookie with like real chocolate. That is really good. Wow. That is so good. Wow. Okay, so I have nothing but sweet stuff left. I'm not gonna try the little lifesaver candies. I'm not doing all that. The glucose biscuits, I don't know if I want to try that because Oh, to my enjoy the biscuit by dipping in milk. I don't drink milk. And I feel like this is something that I might have with tea. I drink tea. I'm a tea drinker. So I might have it with some tea. So let's try the last thing, and that's the mango bites. The mango bites. And I'm gonna let y'all get on out of here. Come on. You can do it. Wait, why is it green? I forgot when they do mangoes, their mangoes are green. When I watch their videos, they get their mangoes right off the tree and they're green. They're like small. Okay. All right. It's candy. It's not nasty. Tastes all right. It's candy. I can't hold stuff in my mouth long. I got to go and get rid of it. If it ain't gum, I got, you know. I can't do all this sucking and stuff. I have to go and get rid of that. Anyway, well, guys, that was everything. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. I enjoyed the snacks. It was really good. Let me see if we can get a little fun fact. I already knew, and I didn't know this. India is home to the largest number of vegetarians in the world. Now, I did know that a lot of them were vegetarians, but I didn't know there was the largest number of vegetarians. I guess that's why a lot of them are really slim. We would pay attention. Like, you know, don't be ogling people like they're, you know, objects. But I'm just saying, if you just get around a large number of them, where there's a large population of Indian people, you'll notice that a lot of them are slim. You know, not I'm saying athletic, but I'm just saying that a lot of them are very slim. They're very beautiful. Oh my gosh. And they all, you know, cows to them are sacred. They're very holy. So they don't be doing all that beef, and they don't be slaughtering and stuff. So, you know, be mindful of that. Well, yeah, wow, okay. But there's a lot to know about India. But I think it's beautiful. Look at that. Very beautiful. Learn something. But anyways, guys, that's the snack crate. Let me do a screen. I mean, y'all know what I'm trying to say. Anyways, thanks guys for watching. Share this video with anyone and everyone. And I'll see you guys on the next episode. I love you. You are loved. And whatever you do, be good or be good at it. I'll see you guys on the next episode.